Myself Yogita Vispute. Welcome all in my today's lecture Organic Chemistry. Topic is the polymer. Polymer and chain structure. Polymer are large molecules known as the macromolecules. Repetitive bonding of small molecules are the monomer. Characteristic chain structure of multiple repeat unit which are related chemically as in case of polystyrene below. There are some different representation are equivalent where X is the number of repeat unit. Then classification of the polymer. Classification of polymer depends on the nature of repeat unit, depends on structural characteristics, depends on stereochemistry, depends on molecular classification, depends on trade name, depends on physical properties, end uses, and lastly depends on polymerization process. Nature of repeat units. Polymer divided into homopolymer, copolymer, alternating copolymer, block copolymer, random copolymer, and graft copolymer. Then second type, structural characteristics. Polymers divided into linear polymer, branched polymer, and network polymer. Network polymer also known as the cross-linked polymer. Then on based on structural characteristics, dendrimer and combo polymers. These are the structure. Then stereochemistry of linkage. Polymers are divided into isotactic polymer, syndiotactic polymer, and atactic polymer. In isotactic polymer, R group on same side of backbone. Syndiotactic polymer, R group on alternating side of backbone, and atactic polymer randomly or most common R group inside of backbone. Polymer classification. Polymer are conveniently represented by the repeating chain formula which shows the arrangement of bonds and atoms. The repeat unit contain functional group that describe the polymer. This terminology emphasizes the functional groups involved in the synthesis of polymer from its monomer, although the usage is seldom exact. Here are the some example: polyester, polyamide, polyether. A polymer is often named accordingly to the monomer that was used to form it. This is why the polymer consisting of only a long chain of methylene CH2 group is called polyethylene, not polymethylene. Of course, there are systematic rules of polymer nomenclature set forth by the IUPAC, but for polymers with any complexity, the names are too cumbersome for common uses. Polymer based on polymer families. In that first one is the polyolefins, which are made up from olefins, alkene monomers. Second one is the polyesters, amide, urethane, etc. These monomers linked by ester, amide, urethane or other functional group. And third one is the natural polymers are the polysaccharides and DNA proteins. Example of common polyolefins in that monomer to polymer formation. Ethylene forms the polyethylene, propylene forms polypropylene, styrene forms the polystyrene, vinyl chloride form the polyvinyl chloride, tetrafluoroethylene form polytetrafluoroethylene or Teflon. Compositional features, that is the nature of repeat unit. Taking a slightly coarser view, one can classify the chain by the number of different repeat unit and their sequence, that is homopolymer and copolymer. Chain architecture features, that is structural characteristics. Again, looking at the chain in decreasing details, there is an infinite variety of chain architectures, that is linear, branch, cross link. Polymer classification depend on physical property classification. Looking at polymer as a material rather than from a chemical point of view, several classifications are widely used. First is the temperature, in that thermoplastic or plastic. These are the linear or branch architecture, can be melt and reform on heating. These are soluble in organic solvent. Amorphous, no order structure, soften over a relatively wide temperature ranges, known as a glass transition. Example, polystyrene and polymethyl methacrylate. Then semi-crystalline. Semi-crystalline composed of microscopic crystallites. Domain of crystalline structure can be ordered. Semi-crystalline polymer have true melting temperature at which order region break up and become disorder. Then second is the thermostat. Thermostat, also known as the resin, massively cross-link, very rigid, degrade on heating. These are insoluble in solvent, usually synthesized in mold, then shaped by machining, grinding or drilling. Example, tires, rubber bands. Third one is the elastomer. Elastomer also known as the rubber. Moderately cross-linked, can be stretched and rapidly recover their original dimension structure. Fourth one is the thermoplastic elastomer. Elastic polymer that can be melted. And last one is the dendrimers. Multiple branched structure, multiple consecutive regular branches. End uses. Rubber have long range elasticity, have low molecular cohesion, tensile strength 300 to 1000 psi. Plastic have stronger than rubber with tensile strength 4000 to 13000 psi, hard type and stiff or soft and flexible. Fibers have strongest of three type of polymer with a tensile strength 20,000 to 1,50,000 psi. Polymerization process, also known as the chain growth reaction, in that monomer decreases throughout the reaction. In chain growth, a monomer is activated and polymerization propagates by activating neighboring monomer. The process is rapid and high molecular weight polymer are activated quickly. The following describe the chain growth reaction in which star represent the deactivated monomer M. This can be a free radical, negative charge or positive charge. Then next step is a condensation. Here the monomer consume early in reaction. In chain growth reaction, bifunctional monomers are added systematically to form covalent bond. It generally involves two or more functional group A and B. Molecular weight increases slowly as a dimer becomes trimer, which in turn becomes tetramer. Here the example of polymer formed by chain growth reaction. Examples are nylon, polyester, polypeptide or proteins. Exceptional case in chain or addition reaction, there is a no termination steps, and at step or condensation, in that no byproduct form. Thank you. Goodbye.